Hi everyone, today we're going to talk about tags and why adding tags to your Rezgo account is so important to improve searchability. So there are loads of different places where you can add tags, but I'm just going to talk about a few today, beginning with adding tags to your inventory. So here by default it's going to list all your inventory options, but I only want to search for some of my inventory. So for example, I only want to show my cruise options. I would look at this cruise tag, click search, and it just brings up my cruises. It's also beneficial for I have a boat tag, so it just brings up all my boat options. Or for example, I just wanted to bring up my canopy tour. It just brings up my canopy. How you can do this is by clicking into the inventory, click edit, and adding as many tags as you want. So this city cruise here, for example, has cruises, boat, and city. And then for example, you can see here, I've got harbour cruises, which has harbour, cruises, and boat. So anytime I search for cruises, this is going to appear, and anytime I search for harbour, this is going to appear. So here, for example, harbour, search, it just brings up my harbour cruises. This is also beneficial for your Rezgo website. So, for example, here, I'll just bring up my website. It automatically lists all your inventory, but you might not want to show all your inventory. So you can use the tags that have been inputted into your inventory here. So if I use tag and city, it's just going to bring up my city cruises. If I use tag cruises, for example, it's just going to bring up all my cruises. So it's just a beneficial way of narrowing down your search on your website, and you can use these URLs just to point customers to these locations. Why this is also beneficial is if a customer is going through your checkout flow, they click on city cruises, the tags appear down here. So for some reason they decide they don't want to do the city cruise anymore, they can click on the cruises tag and it's going to bring up all the cruises you have available. The next thing I wanted to talk about is pickup location tags. So if you go to inventory and pickup locations, you'll see here I have 5 locations, but I'm not offering pickup for all 5 locations for every inventory. So here I've added tags which are cruise pickup and canopy pickup. So if I go back to my inventory and if I look at morning cruise, for example, go down, and here you can see I have a pickup location. So by default, if you don't have a tag associated, it's going to just list all of your pickup locations. But as I said, I don't want that. I only want the 3 pickup locations that have the cruise tag. You just click on the tag instead of having to go through each one and unticking what you don't need. So you just go in, cruise pickup, and it just narrows down your search. Save. The next one I wanted to talk about was merchandise. So in your merchandise, you can see here I have 3: key rings, photo package, and water bottles, and they all have tags associated. So you can see here, the photo package has the cruise tag, it also has the canopy, but key rings do not have the canopy tag. Why this is beneficial is in your point of sale, see here 3 of them are listed, but you only want to show what's available for the cruise. So anything with the cruise tag you can search, or anything for canopy you can search. So it's just a quick way of narrowing down your search. The next thing I wanted to talk about was users. So here by default it pre-populates all of your users, but you might only want to see, for example, your agents. You can just use tags here as well, or just manager. See here, lists the 2 of them. And again, you can just do this by clicking into a user, edit, and adding a tag. You simply just type in whatever you want, so agent, and click enter, save changes. So now, for example, if I use my agent, search, I now have 2 users that appear here. So that's just a quick summary of tags and why that improves searchability within your Rezgo account. If you have any questions about tags, feel free to reach out to customer success@rezgo.com and we'll be happy to talk you through it. Thank you.